What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today I want to learn how to make, well, I think we all know how to make these, but how do I make them fast? Keep existing settings. I want to like grid out all of this footage, vertical, column, 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 and do it really fast. You know, the easy way to, well, I wouldn't say easy, but a quick way to do it is to crop all these and move them into position, you know, but I mean, I think there's a better way. So we can just stack these all up real quick. Let's go ahead and cut all these to be the exact same time for our video. They're all stacked on top of each other, and this one needs to be a little shorter. So how can we get these to, like, you know, stack very fast? Highlight all of these, right click, and do replace with After Effects composition. Here we go. After Effects is opened up. I already had a project going apparently, so some other stuff in here, just ignore that. What we can do is go to Window and then Grid Maker. Grid Maker is a custom plugin that my team and I created that you can download. You can comment grid down below, and yeah, it's really easy to use. So let's highlight all the layers. Let's pre-comp each layer. We want to be able to change them later and do 4 rows. There it is. It's been done for us. Let's save this in After Effects. Open up Premiere Pro, and there it is. It's now back into Premiere Pro. And it's done. It's been columned out for me, and I don't have to do anything else. And now we're done. From here, if you want to do the fancy stuff, you can, like, you know, like do the, let's pretend this is ungraded. Let's just decrease the saturation to like here. And do the old, I just color graded this footage. And here you can see we made that video. It's called The Power of Color Grading. We've all seen it on Instagram and TikTok. And it's really just this. There it is. It's done. Let's move on. And if you're really curious what this is going to look like on TikTok or Instagram, you can actually download our overlay pack, which is also linked on the same website as GridMaker. You just grab your social overlay, whichever one you want to prefer, fill to frame or fit to frame. The images are larger than life. I like them that way. And then you can see this is what this looks like on Instagram or TikTok, so on and so forth with the overlays. You might want to switch this clip with this one because it's like a little more visually interesting, not to be covered up by follow, so on and so forth. But, you know, totally up to you. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.